Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Instagram Follower Magnet, PLR, which launched on the 15th of June at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this private label rights course, which teaches people how to effectively use Instagram to engage more with their customers and grow their businesses. As with all private label rights products, as well as being a very useful manual for yourself, this is also something that you can sell on as it is and keep 100% of the profits. You can also completely rebrand it, give it an entirely different title, like Attract Instagram Followers or Instagram Following Training or whatever you want to call it, and rebrand it with yourself as the author. You can change the cover, you can change the contents inside in any way. You can also give the product away as a bonus with other paid products, or you could use it to give away completely as a powerful lead magnet to attract hundreds onto your list, or you could even use it as the basis of creating a brand new product from scratch. So if this all sounds of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the 5 custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Instagram Follower Magnet from the link immediately underneath this review video. These 5 bonuses are available if you click on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0. As the title suggests, they're custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. You won't be able to get them from any other affiliate. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Instagram Follower Magnet, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and way more useful than what anyone else is offering. So what exactly is Instagram Follower Magnet? Well, more than 40 million people are using Instagram, making this platform a preferred choice for contemporary business ventures. As I'm sure you probably know, it's got a much younger average audience than Facebook. You can step ahead into the game by acquiring the top quality superior private label rights package and have an unlimited supply of traffic at your fingertips, just waiting to be converted into sales. And this is the
Instagram is a powerhouse when it comes to social media marketing.
Okay, so I've put that video over on my bonus page, so you can watch it there. It's just about 4 minutes long, so you should definitely watch that, folks. It includes all of the, like with a lot of these private label rights, it includes a fully done-for-you integrated sales funnel, high-quality sales material. You can start generating revenue with it as soon as today. It's an evergreen topic from a big niche, and you can drive responsive leads. It's an easy setup process, and for people that are newbies and want an easy way to create their own product, you can't really do much better than private label rights. Now, just before we go through the rest of the sales page, I'm just going to run through these custom bonuses. As I said, you'll get them on the page underneath. Just want to go through some of the main things that this course covers. It will teach you how to discover the best practices about the basics of Instagram, find out the latest Instagram trends to watch out for, how you create the most effective Instagram content, how to use Instagram hashtags the right way and get effective results, what are best practices for creating the perfect Instagram stories, what are powerful tips to increase Instagram engagement massively and get great results, how to use Instagram for effective business-to-business marketing, find out the best practices for Instagram affiliates and influencers, what are the best Instagram analytics tools and metrics, and some of the best business case studies successfully using Instagram. And there is that sales video that I was talking to you about. So what are my custom bonuses, folks? Well, the first thing is this 20-minute video showing you how to get 1,000 followers on Instagram in 3 days. So obviously there's the written training inside the course, but this is extra video training that will show you exactly how to get 1,000 Instagram followers in 3 days. The next thing I'm going to include is this big course on 7 days to Instagram success. Now, this is 1 hour of training every day for 7 days. By the end of it, you'll be something approaching an Instagram expert. Now, You could do this in one day, but it would take you 7 hours because they are all single 1 hour lessons. So I would recommend that you do it as it's intended and do 1 hour a day. And then, as I said, by the end of it, you'll know what you're doing on Instagram. The third bonus is private label rights content video training. It's pretty much a video course showing you what you can and can't do with private label rights and how to make money with it. The fourth bonus is 4 free website traffic super hacks. These are all super traffic generation ideas that are working really well in 2019. So if you're looking to drive a load of traffic, free traffic to your offers, then this is the bonus for you. And finally, not Instagram but Facebook, but I'm going to include this because it's a good method, and I think this is only about the second time I've ever given this bonus away. This is pretty much a case study from one of my mentors, Brendan Mace, showing how he made $2,000 in 20 minutes using Facebook groups. Yeah, so that's a nice little hack there. So I hope you can see, folks, there's a lot of additional value here that I'm added in with these custom bonuses. So let's head back over to the main sales page. As I said, I'll let you read through most of this yourself. These are the things that we just went through and what the course covers. And here's exactly what you get. So a premier training guide on Instagram follower magnet. This is, as you can see, is a thorough sort of a thorough guidebook. A well-designed sales page copy. A sales demo video. So this is the video that you will use to sell this product. Let's just have a quick look.
Attention business owners. Instagram is the new bandwagon in online marketing.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. So you can use that obviously to sell on this product. And as I said, you keep, of course, 100% of the profits. Professional design graphics, animated banners, professionally created expert email templates, professional mini sites. So these are the sites that you use. You can just click on it here. And there you can see. Yeah, they look pretty decent. Let's see if we can click on one more. Is that bringing up bigger? Yeah, that's pretty decent. So this is your sales page, and as I said, your sales video is there. So you literally just send out this link to people, and they will pick this up now. Look at that. Pretty decent sales page. All right, so that's what you will use to actually sell this product on. It's all right, just got to get back to the original sales page now, folks. Just bear with me a second. Okay, so where were we? We were down here. Cheat sheet, top resources report. Oh, sorry, these are the vendors' bonuses, folks. Sorry, let's just go back to where I was. So we were up to the mini site pages, weren't we? So professional mini site, legal pages, social media graphics, PDF graphics, and then these are the vendors' bonuses: cheat sheet, mind map, top resources report, and it's going to be available for $7.24. $7.24. That's all during this launch period, folks. Yeah, so not much more you can say about it, folks. It's cheap PLR as usual, very versatile. Everyone wants to learn about Instagram and monetizing it because a lot of affiliate and internet marketers are not doing particularly well with Instagram. And so, you will have success with this. Let's just have a quick look at the upsells. So the first upsell is $29.95. I'm guessing that's going to be the video version of the course. Yes, it is. Yeah. So your front end, as I said, that's the book version. I always recommend that if you can afford it, you should take the upsell, including the videos, because you will find them a lot more easier to sell on. People like to watch video over the shoulder type training rather than reading in a book. You will still be able to sell the front end product. Don't get me wrong. There's lots of interest and in demand for learning about Instagram. And some people actually prefer reading, than watching video. So it's going to appeal to different people. So you really want to get both versions if you can, because then it covers everyone, whether they like the book version or whether they like the video version. But a tip from me is that you'll be able to sell the video version for higher rates than you will the book version. Yeah. So it includes 15 high quality videos. All right. So that is basically the upsell. There are some extra bonuses as well, but the main upsell fact is that it includes the video rather than just the book version. The second upsell is $9.95. Doesn't give me details of what that is, folks, so you have to have a look at that. There's another third upsell, which is $29.95. There's a membership, a 30-day trial membership for the club that the guys run, which gives you a new private label rights product every month, and then after that it's $27 a month. So if you like the idea of getting regular new products that you can sell on, then that's good. And there's also a product creation service, which is $2,000, so it's not cheap, but that is for having the team actually create a product for you from scratch. Now you can easily, on a good launch, you can easily get about $5,000 in from a good private label rights launch. So if you do everything yourself, you're going to find that the costs will add up. If you're not a designer and you're not a copywriter and you're not a logo designer, then by the time you've done all your branding, paid about $800 or $900 for your copywriting, paid probably about $400 or $500 for design, done all the rest, really there isn't much of a markup here, folks. So you're gonna find it's a lot easier to have this done for you, unless you've got all those additional skill sets. Yeah, if you are a great designer and a great copywriter, then you won't need it. But that would be a really good way to launch your own product for, pretty much the same that it would cost you to outsource it all yourself, and you can just get someone to do it for you and give it to you ready to launch. It's a lot less hassle. So yeah, bear that in mind. And that is pretty much it, folks. So as I said, if you want to get all of those bonuses, all you need to do is click on any of those green buttons before the countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. And then once you have clicked on the buy now buttons, sorry, where were they? Down the bottom there. Sorry, we're on the JV page. Just go down here. Just click on the add to cart button, and then that will bring you into your members area at Warrior Plus. You click on the green button to access your copy of Instagram Follower Magnet, and then you click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses, folks. And that is pretty much all there is to it. So all that remains is for me to thank you for listening and watching to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Instagram Follower Magnet PLR.